Hello little people, welcome to a brand new video from Mia's Yummy World. I have received several requests to make one more 3 ingredients easy biscuit recipe, and this is for all those precious people who made the request. Thank you for your amazing feedback and comments for my previous 3 ingredients biscuit recipe, and I hope you will like this one too, as this is my personal favorite and loved by my family. All you need is just 3 home ingredients, you don't need any machine, and it's surprisingly simple to make. Start with 200 grams or half a tin of sweetened condensed milk. To this, add 100 grams of soft unsalted butter. Please do not use oil, use good quality butter to get the right taste and texture, as this is butter cookies. Combine these 2 ingredients with the spatula. As always, if you are new to Mia's Yummy World, hello there, I'm glad to have you here. Please push the subscribe button and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy recipes every week. If you have been here before, thank you for coming back, and I hope you will enjoy this video too. Back to our recipe, here goes the 3rd ingredient into the bowl, which is 250 grams of cornflour. Sieve and add this to the bowl. Mix all these 3 ingredients with a spatula or using your hand to combine well and bring it into a soft dough. You don't have to over mix this or knead it, just bring it together either with a spatula, or if you feel comfortable, just use your hands to bring it together into a soft dough like this. And that's it, our lovely, soft, delicious, buttery cookie dough is now ready. Next, transfer the dough into a cling wrap and roll it into a long rectangular shape like this. Make all the 4 sides flat if you like rectangular shaped biscuits, or roll into a cylindrical shape if you like oval or circle shaped biscuits. Tightly wrap both the ends and chill the dough in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. If you like, you can also leave the dough in the fridge to bake later, and when you're ready to bake, just take the dough and leave it at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. Now my cookie dough is well chilled, and I've also kept it outside at room temperature for about 15 minutes, and now it's perfectly ready to bake. Now will be a good time to preheat your oven if you haven't done so already. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius to bake these lovely goody biscuits. Slice the biscuits to about a centimeter thick pieces and place them on a lined baking tray, making sure that there is enough space between the cookies, and bake these lovely biscuits in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. Take the biscuits out of the oven after that, and you will notice that they'll still be slightly soft. Let them cool completely to room temperature, and then you will have the lovely crunchy butter cookies ready to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container and they'll remain good for weeks. In my home, these biscuits don't last even a week, as my family really enjoys these with milk or tea. If you like, you can dip these biscuits in melted dark or white chocolate to get that special chocolatey touch. You can also put jam or cream between these cookies and make them into delicious cream biscuits for your kids. Try this once and you will not buy any more packet biscuits for your family. There is no artificial ingredients or preservatives in this recipe, which makes it really good for everyone in the family. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please do try these easy biscuits, and I'm sure you will love them. Please remember to like and share this video and hit subscribe button for many more easy recipes. Thank you for watching. See you very soon with more quick and easy home recipes. Until then, keep safe, keep smiling, and bye bye with lots of love from Mia's Yummy World.